Welcome. Are you concerned about Facebook accessing photos stored on your PC? In this video, we'll walk you through a simple and effective method to block Facebook from accessing your images. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the site, take a look at the web address bar at the top of your browser. You'll notice an icon next to the URL. This is where the magic happens. Click on this icon, labeled View Site Information. A drop-down menu will appear, showing various options related to Facebook's permissions. From here, select Site Settings. This will redirect you to a new page where you can manage all permissions for Facebook. Now locate the section labeled Images. Next to this option, you'll see a drop-down menu or toggle button. Click on it and choose Block. By doing this, you're instructing your browser to prevent Facebook from accessing any images stored on your computer. Once you've made this change, close the Settings tab and return to Facebook. That's it. You've successfully blocked Facebook from accessing your photos. This ensures that your personal images remain private and are not inadvertently shared or accessed by the platform. Remember, managing permissions like this is a proactive step towards safeguarding your privacy online. It's always a good idea to periodically review and adjust settings for websites and apps to ensure they align with your preferences. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might also want to protect their privacy. Stay safe and secure online.